And looking towards the Westview Promenade here this afternoon, it's rather cloudy, but overall not too bad out there so far. Early this afternoon, the trees blowing in the wind just a little bit. It is a little bit breezy at times out there. Already reached 70 degrees in Frederick, one of the warmer spots so far here this afternoon. Other locations not warming up quite as much as we go throughout the day here. And that's because of those winds out of the east. That's keeping us a little bit cooler here as we continue on through the rest of your Tuesday. Here's a look at those temperatures. Again, I mentioned Frederick, the rare spot at 70 degrees. The next closest is over towards Martinsburg, 65, Charlestown as well at 65, and down toward the south in Lexington Park at 66 degrees. So again, most of us are still in the lower to middle 60s this afternoon, and temperatures are only going to warm up a few more degrees. Winds have certainly picked up as well. We're talking about mostly 10 to 20 miles per hour right out of the east here, and that's again filling in some of that cooler marine air, and will continue to be like that as we go over the next couple of days. Now, checking out satellite and radar, there is some rainfall back down to the south in central Virginia, and also some showers trying to build into portions of central West Virginia, but we're right along the border of that precipitation. Not really seeing much in terms of shower activity across the four-state region here so far, but oh man, there is a lot out there to our south and west, and it's going to right along that border here over the next couple of days. We'll see that chance for spot showers be present, especially if you're down into northern Virginia, but that is about it. It's going to stay rather dry and just cloudy the rest of today and into tomorrow as breezy conditions trying to push that rain further to the west. Now, again, that cutoff low that's bringing all of that rainfall, it slowly meanders south and west and then comes back to the east as we go later this week. So that's why we'll see dry conditions now, rain later on. And checking out Future Track, again, there's that dividing line right along the viewing area border to the south and west. And we could still see a spot shower later this evening into the early overnight. These showers are going to have trouble reaching the ground, though, because of how much dry air is in place out there across the viewing area. And as we continue on, we're just talking about a lot of clouds, but not too much in terms of shower activity all the way until Thursday morning. And then we start to see a little bit more precipitation start to reach its way in as we go into Thursday afternoon. So the setup will favor more precipitation later, but for now, that low, it's well down to our south, and the flow around that's, of course, going off to counterclockwise. The high pressure center going clockwise. It's pushing a lot of cool air right along the east coast. So that's, again, why we're seeing those temperatures a little bit on the cooler side here the rest of the day today. Going through the rest of your afternoon, temperatures are going to be right near the 66-degree mark. Not really warming up all that much more. Cooler tomorrow. That rain chance increases into Friday, and then we're going to have some dry time finally and sunshine by the end of Memorial Day weekend.